Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how you can download Visual Studio Code in your PC or laptop. So let's start. First open your Chrome browser or which browser you use usually. Now I am opening my Chrome browser. After opening your Chrome browser, just search here Visual Studio Code. You will see the first link there. After seeing the first link, just click on it. After you clicking on it, first link, you will see the page. Now here you have to click on download for Windows, or you can download for Mac, Windows, Linux 64-bit. Now here I am downloading for my Windows, so I will click on download for Windows. Now after clicking on download for Windows, now your downloading will be start. If your downloading will be start not automatically, just click on try this direct download link. Now my downloading is started direct. Now here my Visual Studio Code is downloaded. Now I will click on arrow and click on show in folder. After you shown in folder, you can click double click, or you can click on right click. After clicking on right click, you have to click on open. After clicking on open, your Visual Studio Code will start downloading. But you have to click here I accept the agreement. After clicking on I accept the agreement, just click on next and just click on next and next and next. Now here I have to create a desktop icon, so I will click on create a desktop icon. After clicking on create a desktop icon, I will click on next and just click on install. Your file will be installed soon. Here your Visual Studio Code is installed. Just click on finish.